Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Clara. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. And you?
I sleep okay, but I dream about pizza again.
You always dream about food.
I can't help it. Pizza is my favorite.
Okay, let's start our day. I wake up at 7 every morning.
Really? I wake up at 6:30.
Then you are early.
Yes, I like mornings. I drink coffee first.
I drink tea in the morning.
Tea is nice, but coffee is stronger.
I eat breakfast at 7:30.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and toast.
I eat cereal and fruit.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. It is important.
After breakfast, I take a shower.
I take a shower too, but I shower at 6:45.
I like showers in the morning.
Me too. Showers make me happy.
After shower, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth now. Clean teeth are important.
Do you brush your teeth 2 times every day?
Yes, I brush in the morning and at night.
Good. I brush after breakfast too.
What do you do after brushing your teeth?
I dress. I wear a shirt and pants.
I wear a t-shirt and jeans.
Today, I wear a blue shirt.
I wear a green shirt. We look nice.
Yes, we look nice together.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8:30.
I go to work at 9 o'clock.
Do you take the bus or drive?
I drive. I like my car.
I take the bus. I like reading on the bus.
What do you read?
I read news or a book.
I listen to music in the car.
Music is fun.
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch at 12.
I eat lunch at 12:30.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat a sandwich and salad.
I eat pizza sometimes.
You love pizza too much.
It is true. Pizza is amazing.
After work, I walk home.
I drive home. Walking is healthy.
Yes, walking is good for the body.
I should walk more.
At home, I cook dinner at 6.
I cook sometimes too.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta or soup.
I cook chicken and vegetables.
Dinner is ready. Let's eat.
Yes, I am hungry.
I eat fast.
Eat slowly, Leo.
Okay. I eat slowly.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
Teamwork is good.
Yes, we work together.
After cleaning, I watch TV.
I read a book.
What book do you read?
I read a funny book.
I like comedies too.
Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea at 7.
I drink water.
Do you relax in the evening?
Yes, I relax after work.
I feel happy when I relax.
Me too.
At night, I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well.
I read a little before sleep.
I listen to music before sleep.
Good habits help us sleep well.
Yes, Clara, and we eat healthy food too.
Exactly. Healthy habits are important.
I love our daily routine. It is simple and happy.
Me too, Leo. Every day is a little adventure.
Tomorrow, we can try a new breakfast recipe.
Great idea. I like trying new food.
Then we wake up early and cook together.
Yes, cooking together is fun.
I am happy when we spend time together.
Me too, Leo. Our daily routine is nice because we are together.
And tomorrow is another day for fun and coffee.
Oh, and Leo, we should remind our friends about something.
Yes. Don't forget to like the video.